Hey y'all, Merry Christmas. It's another Wreath Making Wednesday. If you're new here, welcome to Brooke's DIY Wreaths and Home Decor, where I create DIY home decor videos to share with you. Let's make the bow first. I used 6 different types of ribbon and I cut each strand that ended up being approximately 15 inches long. To make the loops for the bow, I took one end of the ribbon about halfway down the strand, pinched it together, and twisted the ribbon a few times. Repeat this process for each of the strands and hold it in your other hand to keep them together. If your hands are small and you can't fit all of the strands in your hand, you can tie them off with a clothespin to keep them together. Once you've made all your loops, tie the bow off with 2 zip ties. One will be used to attach the bow to the wreath later. I have the full tutorial on this bow linked at the end and in the description of this video if you want a more detailed step-by-step instruction. It's time to move on to the wreath. I think I'm going to put the bow on this thinner area of the wreath base here. I used a 14-inch grapevine wreath base and I had a few pieces of 6-foot pine garland that fit perfectly, so I'm going to use that for the greenery filling. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know how I like to plan out my wreaths before I start so I know how everything will be placed before I attach anything down. I used my hot glue tool on a high temp setting and glued down the greenery pieces along the stem of the garland. Make sure to use enough hot glue to ensure the stem is attached strongly to the grapevine base. I only use Gorilla Glue branded hot glue. In my opinion, it has the best hold out of every hot glue brands I've ever tried. When you're gluing down your greenery, you'll want to make sure each piece is facing the same way and slightly overlapped around the wreath to keep the look balanced and full. Once I finished the greenery, I attached my bow in the gap and fluffed it out to complete the wreath. This Christmas wreath was super simple and took about 15 minutes to make. Would you keep this for your home or gift it to a friend? Let me know in the comments. If you like this DIY idea and want to see more ideas, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. My platform is continuously growing right now and your support is extremely appreciated by me. Hope y'all enjoyed this video and I'll be back next Wednesday with an all new wreath to make with you. Until next time, A Merry, Merry Christmas to you. Bye bye.